Welcome to installing MutualLink Edge IWS on Windows. Please take a moment to review the minimum requirements. The Edge IWS client download is available for 32 or 64-bit version of Windows operating systems. Please review the following information to determine the version of your system before you continue with the download. This video will walk you through downloading the client from the MutualLink website, installing the Edge IWS client, installing Cisco AnyConnect, disabling AnyConnect's auto startup feature, performing a secure login, an example of the Edge IWS graphical user interface, how to contact technical support, and how to access the MutualLink Documentation Center. In your web browser, enter mutuallink.net/edge-download/ and hit enter. Select a Windows version and click Download. You may be prompted with a window to verify you wish to do this installation. Click Install Anyway. From the Downloads folder, double-click the .exe file. You will be prompted to allow the application to make changes. Click Yes. Accept the end-user license and follow the setup wizard to begin the installation. During the installation, the setup wizard to install the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client setup will start. Follow the series of prompts to complete the installation. When you have come to the end of the Edge IWS setup wizard, the application may be launched by making sure you have the Launch MutualLink Edge IWS checkbox enabled. Click Finish. To use the auto login feature, you must disable AnyConnect's auto startup feature. If you do not, you will not be able to connect to the VPN and you will receive the following message: service is not available. Please verify server URL. The following two slides describe how to do this on a Windows 7 and 8 and Windows 10 system. Follow these instructions to disable AnyConnect Auto Startup feature on Windows 10. To perform a secure login, double-click the MutualLink Edge IWS icon on your desktop. The Secure Login dialog box appears. Fill in the information provided by your EDM administrator. Select Auto Login and enter the VPN address listed on the screen. Click OK to log in. The MutualLink Edge IWS client launches. For information on the features, please use the online help system located in the upper right-hand corner. Click Help to launch. The following is an example of the Edge IWS graphical user interface. Depending on your licensing and the credentials set by your EDM, the main screen may vary slightly. You may see one of three screens. Please refer to the Edge IWS online help system accessible from the Help button in the upper right-hand corner. You can access all of MutualLink's up-to-date product documentation from the Documentation Center. This is the end of this video tutorial. If you encounter any issues, please contact MutualLink Technical Support by phone or email, or by creating an incident and inviting us in. Thank you for your time.